love the freshness in there, man. This is heaven on earth. Yeah. Whew, can't believe there's a resort hidden inside this fabulous place. Hey, so when did you hear about this resort?
I see it in my dreams, always. Since I was a child, I have always dreamt of a Tudor-style resort in the foothills of the Himalayas, in the middle of a tea garden.
Aren't you expecting much?
No, just wait till you guys reach. Mayfair Tea Resort. Another time, another place.
Another time, another place.
Mayfair Tea Resort. Mayfair Tea Resort. Another time, another place.
Another time, another place.
Mayfair Tea Resort. Mayfair Tea Resort. Another time, another place.
Nestled in the foothills of the Himalayas, kissing the Sukna jungle and playing hide and seek with the mist and clouds, India's first 5-star deluxe tea resort is built in Tudor style within hectares of India's historic Chumta Tea Estate. Step in and the Mayfair Tea Resort emerges like a princess in front of your eyes as you blink in disbelief. Welcome to the Mayfair Tea Resort. Feast your eyes and experience India's first uber luxury resort, built inside the historic 1,000-acre new Chumta Tea Estate, where tea was born in India. The resort is within a 100-kilometer radius of 4 international borders. Nepal, Bangladesh and Bhutan are each 50 kilometers away, and China is just 100 kilometers away. The resort is a short 20-minute drive from the Bagdogra International Airport. These picturesque hill stations of Darjeeling and Kalimpong are 2 hours drive away, and Gangtok in Sikkim is 3 hours by road. With its close proximity to the Sukna jungle, it is not unusual to hear the trumpeting bull elephant pierce the darkness of the night as you sit sipping a rare first flush tea. Lose the clock and lose yourself in the luxurious extravaganza of a resort built like a micro-museum. Start your love affair with Mayfair Tea Resort. It is the most exotic and rare luxury experience brewed in a teacup. You will breathe history. You will smell the passage of time, and your soul will be uplifted. Enjoy it, sip by sip. The memories will last a lifetime. The Mayfair Group has always been attracted to properties with a slice of history. Founded by Sri Dilip Rai in the year 1982, the Mayfair Group has already added 12 boutique properties, which are nature-themed, and many with incredible historical significance. When Chumta owners invited visionary and creative mentor Sri Dilip Rai for a recce, it was love at first sight. 150 years of history soon surrounded him with a sense of awe and an immediate vision of what this resort can become if built with love and care. He instantly knew only he could do justice to the stupendous legacy of the British Raj and the history of tea in India. He knew this was going to be no ordinary resort and unlike any he had built before. This would demand every drop of his blood, sweat and tears and imagination. And he was aware he was about to make history. And like all his properties, work began with a clean heart and a prayer. Every property that he has built has a recurring motif of a temple within the premises that permeates an air of meditative calm and spiritual well-being. Mayfair Tea Resort is built within the historical spaces of the heritage property. You can smell and breathe history at every corner. The core idea was not to disturb a single piece of history. Restoration work was personally directed by Mr. Dilip Rai, leading to interiors that were liberally infused with heritage colors, artifacts, and rare collectibles. The present-day reception area is built on the same spot on which Major C.M. Fitzgerald's Tudor-style 4-bedroom bungalow once stood, and is at the same spot where he dreamt to fulfill the British dream of finding an alternative to Chinese tea. The Mayfair Tea Resort has recreated the same Tudor-style architecture as a tribute to his vision and memory, working with a creative idea of living inside a 5-star museum drove the whole team to excel itself. Come, let's explore and experience the Mayfair Tea Resort, one step at a time. Director's Lounge, Residence Lounge cum Library, built to celebrate in memory of the 5 directors who pioneered the tea trail in Terai. The lounge, which used to be their relaxation space, has been refurbished as the Director's Lounge, where all artifacts, furniture are more than a century old. Everything that you see and experience is a priceless antique. With a well-stocked library exuding the ambience of the 19th century, the Director's Lounge is a place to experience the tea legacy, where every piece of artifact is a collector's item. Feast your eyes on the 125-year-old C. Lazarus billiards table, the 103-year-old Rachel's grand piano, and many other rare pieces, while relishing some very exotic beverages. Planters Club Tea Lounge. The Planters Club Tea Lounge is adorned with antique and priceless decorative teacups and pots used by royalty and officers of the British Raj. Bringing alive the flavor of the bygone era are classic teapots, cups, tea weighing machines, and the exotic and rare London red bus-shaped kettles. This lounge stocks the world's most famous and exotic teas, where with every sip you will experience the essence of the full-bodied first flush leaf tea. Tea Lounge is a chic tea cafe which serves a fine selection of the best teas savoured by connoisseurs. Car Magic. Car aficionados can marvel at the iconic and irreverent Willys of 1942. The ultimate war machine used for navigating through the rough terrain of the world wars. The vehicle has for company the rare Dodge Kingsway of 1956, Ford model of 1928, and the Landmaster of 1956. Today, they all stand as a silent sentinel and as testimony to the valor and sacrifice of our soldiers. The 154-key resort is designed such that each room displays a unique character, style, and decor as it unfolds into magic within acres and acres of lush green tea gardens, where you also get to witness live the perfectly synchronized movement of gentle hands plucking away at the 2 leaves and a bud. Colonial Suites and Director's Suites. 2 Colonial Suites and 2 Director's Suites of 522 square meters each of never-ending space epitomize the ultimate in luxury. Inspired from the signature bungalow lifestyle, the suites are named after the erstwhile directors. These suites have an inimitable character of their own, complete with louvered windows and parquet flooring, to opulently furnished bedrooms with a period 4 poster Chippendale bed, a living room that is generously furnished with designer sofas where the cascading pastel embroidered curtains gently fall from high ceilings onto rich ebony-colored parquet flooring. 2 indulgent bathrooms and an all-weather private pool overlooking acres of tea gardens. An experience that promises you the luxury reserved only for royalty. Heritage rooms and jungle view rooms. The 30 heritage and 58 jungle view rooms, each with a spacious 84 square meter carpet area, is designed to make you relive the bygone colonial days, reflected in carefully chosen furniture and fixtures that will transport you to another era as you sink into the comfort of the plush and luxurious ambience. All heritage rooms have been named after managers from 1866 till date. The rooms are uniquely different, but come equipped with state-of-the-art luxury furnishings and fittings. Rooms have jungle and tea garden views. Carefully curated food and beverages are Mayfair's hallmark across all properties. While we source the best and freshest produce to be served at your table, our specialty chefs work round the clock to ensure you get the best and most lovingly created dish at your table. Teapot, all-day dining and coffee shop. Melt all your cravings at the Teapot, multi-cuisine restaurant serving a carefully chosen spread of Indian, Oriental and international delicacies for you to savor and relish. Bay Leaf, all-day eatery set amidst the stunning views of the tea gardens and adorned with beautiful bay leaf trees. The Bay Leaf restaurant serves an array of selected gourmet dishes. Vintage bar, styled around the famed classic English pub theme, you can almost hear the roar of football fans. The Vintage bar serves the choicest of premium spirits, cocktails, and the wines of the world. An exclusive dance area, a lounge, as well as a karaoke area are also featured here. Pool bar. The poolside bar serves a fine selection of premium spirits and tropical cocktails. Overlooking the crystal blue swimming pool and acres of tea gardens, you are at the right place for a sundowner. Mayfair Spa. Unwind and give your body and mind the pure magic of light-headed relaxation. This signature spa of the resort offers rejuvenating therapies and salon services that promises to de-stress, detox, and renew your energy levels by highly skilled therapists that can pamper you and make your stay even more unforgettable. It is not easy to leave the Mayfair Tea Resort, as it tugs at your heartstring and a little bit of you gets left behind. Eyes get moist as you step out of the 18th century and get ready for the real world.
Mayfair Tea Resort. Another time, another place.
Another time, another place.
Mayfair Tea Resort. Another time, another place.
The memories are for a lifetime, and the experience worth sharing with your grandchildren. See you soon. Mayfair awaits.